everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have for you a makeup challenge. I asked you guys on Twitter and on Instagram. If you guys don't follow me there, you guys have to follow me. I do ask you questions and I give you guys 3 choices for this week's video, and a lot of you picked the makeup challenge under $30. This is basically what the video is all about. And did I pass? Did I fail? You guys will find out in the video soon. So if you guys love these type of videos, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel because that will mean a lot to me. And also make sure you turn on your notification bell so you can be notified when I upload more videos like this. Anyways, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, I'm here with my coupon and we're gonna head to CVS. We're gonna see if we can find some discounted makeup to do this tutorial, and I'll see you guys inside. Okay, this is the makeup aisle in CVS. Let's see what we can find. So it looks like L'Oreal has this Infallible Pro Matte makeup that's going for buy one get the second 50% off. So it's good through the 9th. And I pretty much have like a $2 off coupon, so I might be using for that. And let's see if I can find anything else. And L'Oreal is also having a 30% off any of their cosmetics as well, so that's pretty cool. And then Maybelline is having, if you spend $15 you get $5 off. So let's go into Maybelline and see if we can pick up anything. So it was really hard to actually buy products for the drugstore that were under $30. I know it's really hard to say that, but it's not the same anymore as it was before, where you go to the drugstore and you can buy like a lip gloss for maybe $2. It's not like that anymore. Now it's like you have to pretty much spend more than $10 on a lip gloss. It's crazy how much the prices have gone up on drugstore products. And actually a primer was not in my budget, so primers can be really expensive and a lot of primers are $10 and up, so I was like excluding that out of my challenge. So the first thing I like to do when I apply my makeup is to do my eyebrows, and eyebrows can be very challenging, and finding the right brow product is also very challenging. And I challenged myself to actually use a brow product from the dollar store, and I don't know how this is gonna go. It's probably not my shade. This one is from ColorMate. It was $1 and it is in the color dark brown. So you see, it's definitely not my color. It has more of a reddish tone to it, so it's definitely not my color. Unfortunately, they didn't have a darker color than this. They only had up to dark brown. And the reason why I didn't get any brow product from the drugstore was because I was really trying to stay under budget. So what I pretty much do is I try to go as soft as I could towards the inner corner. Oh my god, this is looking so not my color. So I was trying to use a foundation that was new and I couldn't pass out the deals from Maybelline, so I just got myself the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is actually in the shade Soft Tan. It's also called 228. This was going for around $7.99 at CVS. And I also got myself the Maybelline concealer. And the Maybelline concealer was also for $7.49. So if you buy one, you get the other one half off. And then I also bought a lippy from Maybelline, which I'll show you guys later. And I'm gonna clean up my eyebrows. So the other product that I decided to get was the Fit Me concealer in the shade number 25, and this was also $7.49 at CVS. I actually love this concealer. I would totally buy it and get it because it's really good. So this is what I'm gonna be using for my under eyes. I ended up going to the dollar store like I said earlier, and I picked up a couple products. So I bought this e.l.f. and this one is a pressed powder, and this was in the color Ivory. They didn't have any other color to choose from, but I'm just gonna use this to set my concealer underneath. I'm also going to set my makeup. For those of you who don't know, LiveGlam has a subscription where you can buy brushes for $19.99 a month. Pretty much get about 3 to 8 brushes a month. And if you want to grow your brushes, or if you just want to start off doing makeup, I suggest you guys buy brushes from there. And I actually got mine in the mail yesterday. I was actually in a waiting list, so when I got this in the mail yesterday, I was really happy. If you are not able to afford the brushes that month, you can always roll it to the next month and skip that month out. So that is pretty cool. You can always trade in your brushes if you're not happy with them. Mine actually came in with a little booklet which shows you what kind of brushes you get in there. One is the R35 brush, which is a tapered brush to blend in your eyeshadow. And then this one is the Morphe R12 brush, which is a fan brush, which I'm really excited for because I don't have one. And it even comes with this little cover here where you can pretty much insert your brush in, and it just keeps your brush out of the dust. It keeps it clean and not dusty, so that's pretty cool and awesome. It even has that rose gold trim all around. And then this other one is the R1 brush, which you can use to pack on powder. This other one that I got was also from the LiveGlam, and this one was the M150-2 brush. This was actually a free brush that it came with. But anyways, I will link all the brushes down below so you guys know where to get them. So now I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild eyeshadow. And I really love these colors. This is called the Nana Basic Peach palette from Wet n Wild. This was actually $4 at Walmart. So I'm gonna go in with my R37 brush, and I'm gonna pick up the color over here, which is kind of like a terracotta color, and I'm gonna put that all over as my transition. So the colors are really blending nicely. I really like that. Actually, this eyeshadow has a little bit of kickback, if you guys can see, but the colors blend in beautifully, and I really like it, that it's blending really nice. And for the amount that this palette costs, it's not bad at all. I'm gonna try to create like a summer type of look with these eyeshadows because I love the colors, especially that blue right there. That's a really nice color. So I'm gonna try to make this look a little bit more fun. All right, so now I'm gonna go back to the palette, and I'm going to use a packing brush. So I'm gonna go in with the Sigma E55 brush. This is also a really good brush. So I'm gonna pack that into the inner corner just to set the makeup. Now I'm gonna be taking my Sigma F70 brush, and I'm going to apply this champagne color here. I'm going to apply that in the inner corner of my eye. This is a really nice packing brush. It's a concealer brush, but you can definitely use this to pack on color. So for the middle part, we're gonna use this pink color right there. So we're just going to pack that into the middle part of our eye. And then we're going to take a little blending brush and just blend that in. And now we are going to take this beautiful color over here. I'm also going to use the eye shading brush from Sigma. It's the E55 brush. And I'm going to pack that in the outer V. Now I'm going to take my Morphe R35 brush, and a brush that we use. And I'm just going to pretty much blend those two colors in. I'm just gonna finish off doing my other eye, and then I'll be right back. Now I'm just going to take this color over here, and I'm just gonna put that on my brow bone. And I'm taking the Morphe M213 brush. So I bought this a while ago from Rimmel London. It is the 007 turquoise eyeliner. I'm just gonna tightline my eyes with that. I'm gonna take this beautiful color over here, and I'm just going to bring that underneath my eyes. For my eyeliner, I'm going to use this LA Colors liquid eyeliner. This was actually $1 at the dollar store. Very impressed with this eyeliner, you guys. And then I got this mascara also from LA Colors, and this is actually found at the dollar store for $1. Well, I don't really care so much about mascaras. I feel like every mascara out there is pretty much the same, but this is not bad at all. These are the Cocoa Lashes and the Style Goddess. This actually may be above my budget. The next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm just going to contour a little bit, and I picked up this contour from LA Colors, and I'm just going to bring that all around my face. And I'm gonna use my Sigma flat kabuki brush. This one is the F80. I got this e.l.f. bronzer and a blush palette, and this one is a duo. It has a blush and it also has a bronzer, which I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna be taking my Sigma F40 large angle contour brush, and I'm gonna take that dark color here, and I'm just going to apply that in the outer part of my face. So now for my brush, I'm going to take the Morphe R2 brush, and I'm just going to take a little bit of that and put it on my cheeks. This is actually $4 at Walmart, so that is another great deal. I bought this Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink lipstick, and this one is in the shade 55, or also called Driver. I will list it somewhere here how much this was, and with all the discounts from Maybelline up here and how much I saved. I love this formula, you guys. It's very soft, and I love the angle that it has of the tip of the brush, because it's like really nice and precise. My camera actually shut down on me, so I had to come back, and I pretty much took the time while my battery was charging to do my hair. And then for my highlight, I actually got this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder. This one is called, I think this is called the Golden Flower Crown. This is how it looks like. I love the packaging. I love how it has that detail in the highlight. Kind of looks like a flower. This is actually around $4 as well at Walmart. And I'm going to use my new brush, which is the Morphe Art 12 brush, which I got from my Life Glam package. And I'm going to use this. So you see like the highlight, really nice and beautiful. Blend really nice with my skin, which I really love. Let's add a little bit of that and see how intense it gets with a little bit of spray. Wow. Wow, guys, this highlight is really nice, you guys. Wow. Ooh, I really like this highlight. It definitely blends beautifully with my skin tone, and I love it. So I didn't buy a Fix Plus for my whole makeup, but I think it's gonna stay in place. I think it's gonna be okay. I don't know if I passed or fail. I guess I will let you guys know on the side here if I did or not. Given the fact that maybe we didn't reach the $30 budget, maybe we might have gone a little bit over $30. I'm not too sure. And all in total, this is how much everything costs. And so anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I really love how this makeup turned out. You guys, I think the favorite part of this look is the eyeshadow for me, and I love the highlight. I think the highlight looks really good. What do you guys think? I think it's like really good for $4. I think it's really good, and it's like a budget-friendly buy, so I definitely will keep using that highlight. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this video taught you a little bit more about budgeting and where you can go and buy your makeup. And obviously you don't need to spend a lot of money on makeup. You can definitely be on a budget and spend quite a few amount of dollars and get your money's worth and create a beautiful look using just budget-friendly buys. And I really love and recommend these products to all of you. I think these products are amazing, and for the price, I was really shocked that the prices and sales that were going on was like amazing. So I really love that. So definitely check out your local CVS, your Walmart, and even your dollar store, because they definitely do carry e.l.f. products. They even carry Wet n Wild products as well. So definitely check those stores out. And when there is like a sale going on at CVS, make sure that you apply for the beauty program. I think you can do that at CVS in the store and ask them about that, or you can even do it online. I always recommend you guys download the app, the CVS app, which is gonna show you what kind of coupons are out there. And that's how I got my $5 off, $15 off coupon for Maybelline products. So I definitely recommend you guys do that. Don't forget about also subscribing to the Live Glam. I will leave it down below so you guys can accumulate more brushes and you guys can have a greater selection of Morphe brushes, and that is pretty cool. I also will leave my link down below if you guys want to sign up. You also, I think, can get a free brush if you refer to another friend. I hope that this makeup look is inspired you to create it on your own. Make sure that you tag me at Beauty by Jetta so that way you guys can show me what kind of makeup looks you guys created. It's pretty much everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Hey loves, thank you so much for watching and subscribing to my channel. In the meantime, make sure you watch these videos down below. They're awesome, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Mwah.